Hello, welcome back. This is Tracy at Welsh Farmhouse Garden, where I invite you in to spend a week with me in Wales in our farmhouse. And I was thinking today that when you get up in the morning now, it's got that chilly feel to it, that autumnal feel to it, which I'm trying not to rock, which makes me feel as though I need to plan for the coming seasons. We're all thinking that way, and even in the shops I've noticed Halloween stuff is now out for sale. So I want to try and see if I can get things ready to do crafts as well in the coming months. To do that, I need some material to work with, and I'm surrounded with material. So some of the flowers and the honesty plant, definitely, and some of the flowers as well. I'm going to pick them and dry them in the barn, and hopefully they will be ready and they will look nice to do something with them when it's a little bit cooler and not so much is going on in the garden. I mean, there's always things going on in the garden. What are you doing? There's always things going on in the garden, but it slows down a little bit. Nature has a little rest. And then come winter time, it's more about planning and clearing up and getting ready for spring. So I'm going to go around the garden and pick a few things and dry them and take you with me if you'd like to come. See, just over the back there, I've left my honesty plant to dry lovely, and it has. So now I'm going to cut it down and I'm going to store it so that I can use it later on. And here she is, looking lovely and golden. Look at them, look at them. So I'm going to cut the whole thing down, and then I'm going to do what I need to do with it. Oh, it's making a dingly noise with all the seeds inside. Can you hear that? Beautiful. Right, let's see what I can do and get that dried. Now, zinnia flowers, as you know, are one of my favourite flowers. They are really good for drying as well, to use in displays and crafts, etc. So, although I hate to cut my zinnias, there's more coming, and they're nearly at the end really. I'm going to cut that one. This one over here, then this is sad. It's got a little dead bee in it. Sad, isn't it? I'll put that in with the flowers. Thanks, little bee. And I'll cut that one as well. I cut it with the stem so that you've got something to hang it from. And hang it upside down like that. Beautiful. Come on. There you are. I've cut a few more instead as well. Some alliums on the way out, but they'll be gorgeous dried. Do you know, it's one of them days where it's warmer outside than in. It's quite cold indoors. Anyway, I'm in the wood barn, and these are, don't they look beautiful, the flowers that I've picked for drying. I've got zinnias, alliums, hydrangeas, verbena. I think that's it. So I'm going to, oh, and also the honesty plants. So I'm going to get these dried and hung up. No, get these hung up and dried, ready for crafts and stuff later on in the year, autumn, winter, that sort of thing. But they'll be ready and they look so beautiful. It'd be lovely to capture that now. So first of all, I want to capture some of these seeds from the honesty plants. And they're fascinating things. Now you can keep them like that, which I'm going to keep some like that with the seeds already in, and they're like a golden colour. But to get the seeds out, you just peel off each side. There's the seeds. And by doing so, it's quite fascinating really. Come on. It does peel off. There you go. There you go. There's more seeds on the other side. Let's collect the seeds. And the inner side of the seed pod is this lovely silver colour. And that's what most people use for displays and things like that. So I don't need hundreds of seeds. So I'm just going to pick some of these seeds out and then get the other ones, which are over here. I'll just show you. I picked the whole bush, hung up, ready for when I want it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? One minute it's a seed, then it's an honesty plant with its flowers, then it goes to this, the seed pods, and then underneath you take all the seeds out and there's this beautiful silver lining. Okay, so I'm going to take all the leaves off. The alliums don't have any on them, so they're okay, just ready to be hung up. But take all the leaves off of everything else, and then I might group them into what plants they are and then just hang them up. I want to get my onions and my garlic out of the way, and I want to string them up. I've never done it before, another thing I've never done before, so I'm going to have a go. So let's see if I can muck this up. Piece of double up string tied to a hook, which I hope doesn't come out the wall. They make it sound so easy. Okay, so we'll put it in. First onion. Twist it on. I've done that. I did it. Right, second onion. Thread it through and twist it on. Is that it? Is that how you do it? All right. Next one. Twist it in. Is that right? Have I done it? Doesn't look like the professional ones. I suppose if I had more of them, it would. Next year, more onions. That is what I'm going to do. I'm actually pleased with that. Stayed on there. Good. Garlic. Does that look right to you? Oh, I didn't do anything yet. You know what? They're staying up to make them look pretty. I'll just cut them bits off. That'll do. Well, what do you think? Not bad for a first attempt. Remembering I have never done it before, ever. Way to me. Right, these little ones here, I know they're ready. I think they're baby boo. And I want to keep that white colour. I want to try and save them for autumn. And there's lots more flowers. So don't be afraid, Trace. There's lots more flowers, look. This little fella. Make sure I have enough stem. Don't pull it. Cut it. There we go. There we go. Look. It's grown. You can see that. It's grown inside the mesh. Ah! I'm going to get that out. God, it's not grown. Oh no, I don't want to cut the mesh. I'm going to have to cut the mesh. I'm going to have to. Oh my gosh, look. Look. It grew in the mesh. Oh, never mind. I don't think my mic was working. Never mind. Don't they look cute? That one was stuck in the mesh. But I saved him. It'll be okay. I'm going to store them anyway. Cure them first and then store them. Now these are yellow bush. And I cannot store yellow bush. I have to cook them. And they are the most, oh dear me, prettiest. Look at that. Look at that. Like a pate pumpkin. So I'm going to pick some of these now. Because some of them are too big. And they need eating. So what do we think? From someone that couldn't grow one pumpkin last year to all of these, I'm really pleased with myself. I don't know what I did right. I don't know what I did wrong last year. Whatever it was this year, I'm going to try and do it next year. Very happy. Yeah. Yay. Right, they're going to sit in the polytunnel for a little bit and just cure. And then I'll put them somewhere dry and cooler. these little seed pods here are yellow poppy, or Welsh poppy I think they're called. So I'm in a seed collecting mood. I'm going to collect some of those and put them in a bag. Can't hear that, but it's full of seeds. Oh, I'll just put them in there. Hopefully they'll seed next year. Parsnip seeds. We're on a roll today. So at the moment I'm going to dry them like this because I don't have enough brown paper bags or envelopes to put them in. I've got to get some. You can hear them all falling off. Right, let's cut some of these down. So I'm going to put them upside down on here and let the seeds fall in the tray, and then when I've got some bags I'll put them in the bags. So there's more parsnip seeds there than you could ever eat. Some of them aren't really ready, but some of them are. Can you see them all? See all of them? Okay. Nature, it just gives you so much more back. It was a pleasure having you join me again this week, and if you're new to my channel you are very welcome. I hope you enjoyed being here, and if so, it would be lovely if you could subscribe, like, comment and share. It's all free, and I will be back with you again next Friday.